Heart-healthy benefits of herbal teas. Certain herbal teas are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, including improving circulation, preventing heart attacks, cleaning arteries, and lowering high blood pressure. Drinking these teas regularly can help support overall cardiovascular health. Here are 5 amazing teas that contribute to heart health. Benefits for heart health. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help lower high blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, reducing the strain on the heart. How it helps? It has natural diuretic properties, helping to remove excess sodium and fluid from the body, which also contributes to blood pressure regulation. Additional benefits. It's also known to reduce cholesterol levels, supporting overall heart health. Benefits for heart health. Green tea is packed with polyphenols, particularly catechins, which help to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, levels and reduce the formation of arterial plaque. These compounds also improve blood flow and prevent the oxidation of fats in the bloodstream, which helps to prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries. How it helps? The regular consumption of green tea can lower blood pressure and improve the elasticity of arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additional benefits. Green tea also boosts metabolism, which can help with weight management, further benefiting heart health. Benefits for heart health. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help prevent heart disease. It's known to improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels. How it helps? Ginger can help reduce the risk of arterial plaque buildup by thinning the blood, which can prevent clots and improve overall circulation. Additional benefits. Ginger also supports digestion, boosts immunity, and can help with pain and inflammation. Benefits for heart health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels, prevent blood clots, and lower blood pressure. How it helps? By reducing inflammation and improving endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, turmeric can help keep arteries flexible and prevent plaque buildup, reducing the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. Additional benefits. Turmeric supports overall inflammation reduction in the body, which is crucial for heart health and overall well-being. Benefits for heart health. Garlic is well known for its cardiovascular benefits. It contains allicin, which helps reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation. How it helps? Regular consumption of garlic can help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving arterial function, leading to better blood flow and less strain on the heart. Additional benefits. Garlic is also believed to help with reducing oxidative stress and preventing heart disease due to its powerful antioxidant properties. Drink regularly. Consuming 1 or 2 cups of these teas daily can help you maintain good heart health. Add to a balanced diet. Teas are most effective when combined with a heart-healthy diet, including foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Be consistent. It's the long-term effects of these teas that offer the most benefits, so consistency is key for maximum heart health. If you have existing heart conditions or are on medication for blood pressure or cholesterol, it's best to consult your healthcare provider before significantly increasing your intake of these teas to ensure they don't interfere with your medications.